Welcome, engineers and tech leads. Today we are diving deep into the architectural shift from legacy telematics to AI-driven fleet management. Traditional systems relied on reactive reporting, but modern stacks leverage massive data ingestion and real-time inference. We are looking at a paradigm where a 50% reduction in downtime is not just a goal, but a predictable outcome of integrating deep learning into the logistics layer. This session will explore the transition from simple GPS tracking to complex predictive models, focusing on how we handle high-frequency telemetry data, edge processing, and the deployment of neural networks to optimize every kilometer driven. We'll examine the full life cycle of data, from the vehicle's OBD2 port to the cloud-based inference engine, providing you with a roadmap for building resilient, scalable fleet AI. The foundation of any fleet AI is the ingestion layer. To support a global fleet, your architecture must handle over 1 million messages per second. We typically employ a distributed message broker system like Apache Kafka or Pulsar to manage the high-throughput, low-latency requirements. Data arrives via MQTT or HTTPS from various sensors, GPS, accelerometers, and CAN bus interfaces. The challenge isn't just volume, it's the schema evolution and data validation at scale. We utilize Protobuf for efficient serialization, ensuring that our 100 gigabyte plus daily data streams remain manageable. This layer acts as the buffer, decoupling our high-speed ingestion from our slower, more complex stateful processing units, allowing for horizontal scaling as the fleet grows from hundreds to hundreds of thousands of units. Cloud latency is the enemy of safety-critical fleet applications. This is why we push inference to the edge. By deploying hardware like NVIDIA Jetson or dedicated TPUs within the vehicle, we achieve a 15 millisecond latency for critical events. This edge layer handles hot data, such as immediate collision warnings or driver fatigue detection locally, while only sending cold or summarized data back to the cloud. We use TensorFlow Lite or TensorRT for model quantization, reducing a 32-bit float model down to 8-bit integers to fit the constrained memory of onboard units. This hybrid approach ensures that the system remains functional even during cellular dead zones, which accounts for up to 5% of driving time in rural logistics routes. Predictive maintenance is the killer app of fleet AI. We model the remaining useful life, or RUL, of components using long short-term memory networks or gated recurrent units to handle time series sensor data. Our current architectures achieve 95% prediction accuracy for engine component failures. By analyzing patterns in vibration, temperature, and fluid pressure, the model can flag an anomaly 72 hours before a catastrophic failure occurs. This slide shows the neural architecture, where multimodal data inputs, RPM, thermal sensors, and historical maintenance records are fused. The temporal nature of LSTMs allows us to capture the degradation curves that simple threshold-based alerts miss, transforming maintenance from a scheduled cost center to a just-in-time optimization. Routing in fleet management is more than just A to B. It's a massive combinatorial optimization problem. We are moving away from traditional Dijkstra-based algorithms toward graph neural networks, GNNs. These models treat the entire logistics network as a dynamic graph, where edges contain real-time weights like traffic, weather, and fuel prices. This approach has demonstrated a 20% fuel savings across large-scale deployments. By embedding traffic patterns into vector space, the GNN can predict congestion before it happens, rerouting vehicles dynamically. We integrate these with reinforcement learning, RL agents, that learn the optimal dispatching policies over millions of simulated miles, ensuring that the global fleet efficiency is maximized, even as individual constraints change. Task. We deploy convolutional neural networks, CNNs, to analyze driver behavior in real time, focusing on facial landmark detection to identify fatigue or distraction. The system operates with a sub-100 millisecond reaction time, crucial for preventing accidents. We utilize a YOLO, you only look once, variant for object detection around the vehicle, identifying pedestrians and other hazards. The architectural challenge here is the balancing act between frame rate and accuracy. By utilizing model pruning and knowledge distillation, we can run these high-fidelity vision models on low-power automotive-grade silicon. This reduces the risk of false positives while ensuring that critical safety interventions occur exactly when needed. To train these models effectively, we use digital twins. We create a high-fidelity virtual replica of every vehicle in the fleet. This allows us to run 10,000 simulations per second in a synthetic environment to test what-if scenarios. Using physics-informed neural networks, PINs, we can simulate mechanical wear and tear with extreme accuracy. This data isn't just for training, it's used for real-time diagnostics. If a physical truck's sensor data deviates from its digital twin's predicted state, we flag a potential sensor malfunction or an emerging mechanical issue. This synchronization between the physical and digital worlds allows for a level of fleet visibility that was previously impossible, providing an X-ray view into the operational health of every asset. For tech professionals, the how of deployment is as critical as the what. We orchestrate our AI services using Kubernetes, managing hundreds of microservices that handle everything from geofencing to inference. Our infrastructure is designed for 99.99% uptime, utilizing multi-region deployments to ensure that fleet operations never halt. We implement CI/CD pipelines specifically for MLOps, allowing us to retrain and redeploy models without service interruption. Canary deployments ensure that a new route optimization model is tested on 1% of the fleet before a global rollout. This robust orchestration layer is what allows a complex AI system to feel like a seamless, invisible utility for the dispatchers and drivers on the ground. In the era of GDPR and strict data privacy, securing fleet data is paramount. We employ federated learning to train models across the fleet without ever moving raw driver data to the cloud. Only model weights are shared and aggregated, ensuring 0% raw data leakage. For data in transit and at rest, we use AES 256 encryption and hardware security modules, HSMs, in the onboard units to manage cryptographic keys. Security isn't just about encryption, it's about integrity. We use blockchain-based immutable logs for maintenance and safety records, ensuring that the truth of a vehicle's history cannot be tampered with. This creates a trustless environment where insurance companies and regulators can verify fleet safety without compromising individual driver privacy. To wrap up, let's look at the bottom line for the engineers building these systems. The 5x ROI on AI integration comes from the cumulative effect of fuel savings, reduced insurance premiums, and extended asset life. We've moved from a world of maybe to a world of certainty. By implementing the architectures we've discussed, from edge inference to GNN routing, companies can see a return within the first 12 months of deployment. As we move toward fully autonomous fleets, the software infrastructure we build today will be the operating system of global commerce. The future is a self-healing, self-optimizing logistics web, and as architects, you are the ones writing the code that moves the world.